Friends, so today I am right now in the middle of Patnitop. So it's beautiful weather over here. So I'm planning to take a small session with you about SAT, and the topic which I have planned for today's class is linear equation, and it is the subtopic is solving a linear equation involving single variable. So let us begin. So question number 1, given the above equation, what is the value of 20 minus 11 minus x? So first of all, from here, if I observe this equation, I can get 20 minus 11 plus x, which is 20, and minus 11 plus x is 9, so I can write plus 9. So the answer for this will be 29. Question number 2, what is the value of 33 plus a? Here I observe that 33 minus a is equals to 27 minus 4a. It means 33 is equals to minus 4a plus a. Minus 3a is equals to 6. So a is minus 2. Substituting minus 2 over here, I get 33 plus 3 times of minus 2. So this gives you 33 minus 6. So the answer is 27. Question number 3. Half of x plus 3 equals to 3 by 4 minus x. So half of x plus x, adding x on both sides, and then subtracting 3 from both sides. We get 3 by 2x equals minus 9 by 4. It implies x equals to minus 9 by 4 multiplying by 2 by 3. Multiplying by 2 by 3 on both sides. So this gives you 3 times 3 is 9, 2 times 2 is 4, so negative 3 by 2. What is the value of x? So simplify this equation. X minus 3 plus 2x. I'm just multiplying this negative with both of the terms inside the bracket. And positive 4 minus 5x and plus 7 equals 0. This gives you 3x minus 5x, so minus 2x. 11 minus 3, that gives you 8. So x here comes out to be 4. Next question. If 3 quarters, that is 3 by 4, of a number decreased by 20 is equal to 82. What is the number? So first of all, I add 20 on both sides. I get 102, and multiplying by 4 by 3 on both sides, I get 4 for the 16, 4 to the 12, 136. So the answer is 136. Question number 6. 2 and 3/5 of a number. 2 and 3/5 of a number equals minus 26. What is the number? First of all, we convert this mixed fraction to improper one. So this gives you 13 by 5x minus 26. Then I multiply both sides by 5 by 13. This goes 2 times. I get minus 10. So B is the correct answer. There are 142 students in a high school band. These students represents 2/9 of the total students in the high school. So this is 142. So x, we can get x by multiplying both sides by 9 over 2. So this is 71 times 639 is x, which is the total number of school students attending the school. The above equation models the amount of calories in a snack of C cups of cashew and R cups of resin. The amount of calories per cup of cashew is 820. Amount of calories per cup of resin is 380. According to equation, how many cups of resin are used if 3 cups of cashews are used to make the snack? Okay. So here we have C cups of cashews and
4360. He says 3 cups are cash reduced. How many cups of raisins are used? So I will simply put C as 3, 820 times 3, 380R plus 4360. This gives us 2460. Then subtracting 2460 from both sides, I get 1900. Then dividing by 380 on both sides, I get 5. So R equals to 5. So this completes this exercise.
Thank you so much for watching this session. Do like it, share it, and subscribe it. Bye-bye.